So my international dish is actually from Korea, and I chose to do a bibimbap. I hope I say it right. I could be saying it wrong, but I'm going to a bibimbap bowl. It's with whole grain rice and lots of vegetables. This might come across like being actually expensive, but if you have leftover veggies in your refrigerator, you can definitely use it. And there's no set menu for this. Whatever you have and whatever you love, just use. I didn't take the time to show you like sauteing, but I am going to go through how to make a couple of the individuals, and then I'll put the bowl together, and then the sauce that goes on top of the bibimbap bowls. I did a ground meat. As long as you have a 95% lean, you're okay. And I drained it, and I just added a little bit of chili garlic sauce and some soy sauce with that. It's a little spicy, so it's kind of nice. It's got a little kick to it. Then I had some carrots. I have some raw and some the little thicker ones, like slightly blanched, that I did this morning. Some shitake mushrooms. And that was just done in a little bit of olive oil and garlic and salt. And then spinach, a little bit of olive oil, sauteing olive oil. And then I just sprinkled a little dash of sesame oil on the top of it. Then I have some cucumbers, and because I had some bok choy in the fridge, I just figured I'm going to use it because I have kind of a big bowl here and it'll fill it up nicely. And then sesame seeds for the top. So, like, first of all, I'm going to put in my little bit of ground meat. Now, if you don't want to use ground meat, it's totally fine. You can use tofu. And traditionally, this dish has an egg on the top. So if you don't want to use meat and you want your protein, you're not vegan, you want an egg on the top, you can put an egg on the top. So I just put this bowl. It's full of colors, looks pretty as anything. So I'm going to put a little bit there. And then I'm going to put some carrots. Some carrots here. Put some raw and regular mixed in. And I'm going to put some beautiful baby bok choy. It's so in season right now, and it's so good. Love it. And again, traditionally, you could put seaweed, like strips of seaweed on the top. I don't like seaweed, so I didn't get it. But if you like it, then by all means. And our sauce that we're going to make is going to be a little bit more friendly. I'm going to put the sauteed spinach, delicious spinach on the top. And then some cucumbers. Okay, and now we're going to make the sauce. So you have a nice dish there. Right, here goes for the sauce. Now you can have, there's like 2 or 3 different sauces that you could do with this. I went with the kid friendly just because it's a little milder, and the meat does have like a little chili taste to it. So we're going to just do the kid friendly version, and that is made with half a cup of, let me just get the ingredients, half a cup of soy sauce. We're going to put 4 ounces of soy sauce, low sodium here. And half a cup, come on. It's taking its time. Okay. Then we're going to use some fresh garlic. Leave it with I'm going to use a couple of cloves. Now it says brown sugar in the recipe. I'm going to use honey instead because it mixes a little bit better. And then a couple of teaspoons of, and a couple of teaspoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. And then the 2 teaspoons of sesame. 2 teaspoons of sesame, and then the honey. Now I'm going to mix it up, and that is going to be our sauce. It says 4 sugars, so I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. You can always taste it for your preference. And you can change it to how you like it if you want to add something. And that is your sauce. So when you're ready to pour, you pour it on. Okay. I actually have one ready for you to show. It's a bowl of our Bibimbap sauce. Just pour it over. I have some sesames on it. That is your Bibimbap bowl. And the water of the week is blueberry and mint. I did the blueberries because it actually looks like bubble tea. So I figured that'd be fun, what we're using. So we have blueberry and mint for our water of the week.